Hi students, 12th standard Computer Application Chapter 3 Introduction to Database Management System. Last class we studied MySQL and some information about MySQL and some commands. Today we are going to learn about SQL. What is SQL? Some basic information and types of SQL commands. SQL structured query language. It is used to accessing and manipulating database. So just we are going to access and manipulate. Manipulate means to process something in databases. So already we know that database means it is a systematic information. Then it is declared as standard by American National Standard Institute, that is ANSI, and International Organization for Standardization, that is ISO, in 1986 and 87. Some basic information about SQL. So SQL is a standard language. It has some different versions for maintained, and it executes queries. Here query means a condition. So it processes the conditions database and retrieve data from the database. So we'll take information from the database and it inserts and update records in a databases and delete records from the database and create a new databases and new tables in a database. So SQL command is used, already we know that SQL command is used to accessing and manipulating a database. So here manipulate means we use execute, we retrieve, insert, update, delete, create, everything. So just we are going to process with the database command. Types of SQL commands. So different SQL commands are available to perform various functions. So SQL commands are classified into 5 major categories, that is DDL, it's a data definition language, and DML, data manipulation language, and the next DQL, data query language, and TCL, transaction control language, and the last one is DCL, data control language. Let us see one by one. The first one is DDL, that is data definition language. So this command is used to define a database scheme. So already we know that scheme means as a structure. So and also create and modify the structure. So this command is used to create and modify the structure of databases. So here we used 5 commands, that is the first one is create, and second one is alter, and third one is drop, fourth one rename, fourth one rename, and last one is truncate. So the first one, create command. So it is used to create a database. Alter command is used to modify the existing structure of database or table. So here it is used to modify existing structure. Existing means already created. So we can change the structure of the table. And then third one is drop command. It is used to delete a database. This command is used to delete a database. And the next one is a rename command. So this command is used to rename an existing object to the database. It is used to rename the existing object. And then last one is truncate. So truncate means it is used to delete all the table records. To delete overall all the table records. So DDL, data definition language, it has 5 commands, that is create, alter, drop, rename, truncate. So create means create a database. Just we are going to create a new database. Alter to modify something. Drop means delete a database. Rename the existing database, and to delete all the table records we use truncate command. Data manipulation language, that is DML. So this command deals with the manipulation of data present in a database. The most SQL commands come under the DML commands, that is insert, update and delete. The first one is insert command. It is used to add new rows into a database table. And then the second one is update command. So this command is modifying the existing data with a new data within a table. It is used to modify existing data with a new data. And then the third one is modify. And third one is delete command. So this command delete the records from the table. So the DML commands are insert, delete, update. So insert is used to insert a new row, and update is used for modifying, and delete command is used to delete. Next one is data query language, that is DQL. So here in DQL we used only one command, that is select. Okay, so DQL, the select command is the only SQL command used to fetch or retrieve the information data from the database. So this command is used to fetch or retrieve data from the database. Transaction control language, TCL. So here this command is used to manage the transaction in a SQL database, and it is also helps to save the changes into a database permanently. So it has four commands, that is commit, and then second one is a rollback, and third one is set transaction, and then fourth one is save point. So the first one is commit command. So this command is used to save a database permanently. So it is used to save the data permanently. The next one is a rollback. So restore the database to original from since the last commit. Until the permanent save, we can restore the data. We can restore the values. And then third one is set transaction. So this command is set the transaction properties, such as here it has two properties. One is read write, and second one is only read access operation. Only read. So it gives two access permission. One is a read write, another one is a read. And then last one is save point. This command is used to store the data temporarily. So commit command is used to store the data permanent, and save point is used to store the data temporarily. The last one is data control language, that is DCL. So it is used to control. Okay, so the SQL command that implement security on database objects like table, view, stored procedure, etc. Here it has two commands. One is grant, another one is revoke. So here grant means it is used to give a permission to a specific user on specific database objects like table or view, etc. So to give a permission. And the revoke command, this command is used to take out permission. So it is used to take out the permission. So DCL, data control language, it has a few commands. One is grant, another one is revoke. Grant means it give a permission to process the database, and revoke means to take out the permission. So dear students, once again I recall this lesson. Today we learned SQL, what is SQL and types of SQL commands. So once again I repeat, SQL means it is a structured query language. It is used to access and manipulating a databases. So it has various types. So here we studied 5 types of commands, that is data definition language, data manipulation language, data query language, transaction control language, data control language. I hope you all understand this concept. Thank you students. Have a nice day.